Do you know how to split quickly the cells diagonally? Of course, we can create additional row here, but in this case it is not the solution because maybe this row is not necessary. Let's see the trick. We select the cell that we wanted to split and go to border. Here we can to split our cell horizontally or vertically. Okay, let's do it. Our cell is ready. Firstly, we write day. Then you need to press Alt plus Enter to skip on the second row. Here we are going to write month. And pressing the space, we are going to adjust our text in the cell. Perfect! Everything is ready, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this small trick. Let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.